What's good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We got some new parts in from Cobb. Check it out. Shift knob and short shifter. So based off of that information and of the title of the video, you already know we're doing a short throw shifter install today. I'm gonna link the shift knob and short shifter that I bought in the description for you guys if you wanna check it out, buy that. But without further ado, let's get into the install. Unscrew your shift knob. Just twist it to the left and it should come up. It's gonna be attached to the boot, so don't worry about that. Next, just pop out this plastic piece by grabbing over here and pulling it out. It should come unclipped. Just do that on both sides. So take this piece off first, just unclip it. It's gonna be attached, so be careful. Then you can slide this part off and set it aside. Now it should look like this. Make sure it's in neutral though. And then unscrew this bolt right here. They're both 12 mil and just loosen them up. Then once you have disconnected this, take your shifter, turn it 180 degrees and just pop it out. Just like that. Next, take your original shifter, and if you didn't buy new bushings like me, you reuse the old ones. So just pop them out, just like this. Then grab your new Cobb Short Throw shifter and just put the bushings back in. When you get the Cobb shifter out of the box, this little arm right here is gonna be pretty short and it's not gonna clear any of the gears. So what you're gonna wanna do is it comes with an included Allen wrench, loosen her up, and if you see right here, that little line, that's where it's good for my 2004 WRX. Line it up with the line and then tighten it down. This way, your shifter is gonna be able to clear all of the gears and not hit on anything. Now that we're back in the car, take your short throw shifter and it's gonna go so the Cobb logo is facing towards the front. Set her on in there, and then with the rubber mallet, tap it in so it gets back in that hole. Once you got your new shifter securely in, take the bolt and slide it back through and tighten her up. Make sure it's nice and tight and then you're good. Now what you're gonna do is adjust the shift height. So take the included Allen wrench and unscrew these two bolts, and then you can adjust the shift height to whatever you want. Alright, now that you got your shifter set up just how you want it, make sure you can find all the gears. And then it's time to put everything back together. Take this centerpiece and just pop it back on. And now, time to put the shift knob on. If you're sticking with the stock shift knob, that's fine. If it stayed on the boot, you're good. Just screw it back on just how you would on your normal shifter. But I got a fancy Cobb knob. So it's pretty simple. Just take the boot just like this, and this little head just pops right in there, and then find the shifter and screw her on. Alright guys, got the shift knob on and now she's good to go. And while you're driving, if you feel like it's not hitting any of the gears or it's too tall or whatever, just pop this off, adjust it with the Allen key, and try again. But yeah, that's how you install a Cobb short throw shifter. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you learned something and that you were able to install your own Cobb short throw shifter. If this video helped you, appreciate it if you gave it a like, comment, subscribe for more weekly WRX content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.